Keeping sticky notes updated gives you the latest features, bug fixes, performance improvements, and security updates. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update sticky notes on Windows in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu or by searching for it in Windows Search. Once the store opens, make sure you're connected to the internet so updates can be downloaded successfully. In the Microsoft Store, select Library from the left-hand menu. This section shows all the apps installed through the store, along with any available updates. Select the Get Updates button near the top of the library page. So Windows will scan for updates for all Microsoft Store apps, including sticky notes if a newer version is available. If an update is available for sticky notes, select Update or allow the store to install it automatically. Wait until the download and installation finish before opening the app. After the update finishes, launch Sticky Notes and confirm that it opens normally. You can also visit the apps page in the Microsoft Store to verify you're using the latest version. And that's how to update sticky notes on Windows. Keeping the app up to date helps prevent bugs and gives you access to the newest improvements. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and thanks for watching.